Are you tired of agents trying to sell your house like it's 1985?
Marty, I've been to the future and they're still selling houses like it's 1985.
Bad photos, bad communication, and outdated technology? Then you need a Ninja agent.
Ninja agents are trained, focused, and can break through any problem.
Ninja real estate agent, are you ready to break through any problems?
Yes, I am, Sensei.
Let's begin. Bring in the healer.
Unlike other agents, Ninja agents get professional photos to sell their clients' listings every single time. Just like every single time I cry watching The Lion King. A Ninja agent is trained in the art of communication. Hello?
Ninja agent, is that you?
Yes, hello. How can I help?
How did you know I was going to call? I didn't even dial your number yet.
This is what Ninja agent does. I am quick, effective, to kick the competition's butt. Hata!
Oh, okay.
Ninja real estate agent, are you ready to kick the competition's butt?
Yes, I am, Sensei. Kadai!
Healer?
A Ninja agent uses cutting-edge technology, like videos and drones, to sell his clients' houses faster and for more money. Hata!
Are you ready to get ahead of your competition to complete your training?
I don't want to use my head, Sensei.
You must. This is Ninja real estate law.
I will try.
No, you will do. I don't believe it. You finally broke the board this time. Congratulations, Ninja real estate agent. You've completed your training.
Yeah, but I think he's dead.
No, not again.